question for you today. Have you ever thought about being superhuman? I'm pretty sure you have because so have I. And in a way, all of us are superhumans. How, you ask? With a smartphone. Smartphones are like an extension of humankind that makes us all superhumans. Don't you think? These magical plastic boxes that we keep in our pockets connects us to the interwebs, let us do work and help us be a little more productive. And there are tons of options for apps that can help us be more productive in our lives. Today, we'll be covering both iOS and Android apps, so there's almost certainly something over here that you'll find useful. From Mobile App Daily, and you've got to follow us for our super awesome coverage of mobile apps, latest gadgets, and our research reports on the best performing app development and marketing agencies. The first app for to-do list is called Trello. Have you ever faced problems with emails? Well, this one takes all your problems away, puts them in one corner, and lets you coordinate in a team way better than before. Everyone knows what needs to get done, who's responsible for doing it, and when it's due. One can share notes on task descriptions, upload attachment to tasks, organize tasks by priority, establish workflow, add due dates, add followers, and add hearts to tasks to show one's gratitude. This one is great for teams, but I as an individual wouldn't find use in a lot of its features. This brings us to our next app called Todoist. This task manager helps you create and organize your to-do list on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. Both your professional and personal to-do lists can be managed seamlessly and separately on Todoist. If you are a power user, you get additional features like custom labels and filters, location-based reminders, and set templates for recurring projects. There's even Todoist Karma that informs users of their progress by displaying colorful graphs and stats. Every task management app needs a good calendar app as a companion, and that is what our next app is all about. What makes Fantastical stands wide apart from the other calendars like Google Calendar and iCal is this amazing feature called the natural language processing. Instead of typing events, I can speak them and the app will intelligently parse what I say and fill in event details automatically. This app is iOS only, but if you're an Android user and you're looking for similar features, you can go for an app called Soul Calendar, which is available free of cost. Habit tracking is another great way of keeping yourself productive. And after using multiple apps, we have found something that you would really enjoy. Along with a full-featured web app, this one has both Android and iOS apps that lets you turn tracking your habits into a video game. You can level up the character, buy gear, and join up with other people to go on quests and keep each other accountable. This one has in-game rewards and punishments to motivate you and has a strong social network to inspire you. But if games aren't your thing, there's another app that you could give a shot to. It's called Momentum. This one is iOS only, and it is simple to use. When you open the app, check a box and go about your day. One really cool feature about this app is that you can check off habits with a Today view. For Android users, you may check out Habit Bull, which serves you the same way. Where do you write your notes? Where are you putting your thoughts down? There's one place that I can swear by since the year 2013, and that's Evernote. Managing notes have never been easier for me. A digital journal, a friend. That is what I would like to address this one as. Here is where you can store all your ideas, lists, reminders in the form of text, photos, drawings, audio, and video files. Evernote syncs your notes and notebook across all your devices, so your information is always with you everywhere you go. Although, if you're not a premium user, you'd only be able to use it on 2 devices. Superhumans not only need access to their notes at all points, but also their files. And that is where Dropbox comes in. If you wish to access your files anytime and anywhere, this one is your best bet. Also, sending large files is supremely easy even to people who don't have a Dropbox account. Dropbox integrates beautifully with Trello, like butter on toast. Cam Scanner lets you scan documents like nobody's business. So you take a picture of your document, crop, edit, create a PDF and then share it. They also provide additional options like merging files, adding password protection, watermarks, etc. Once you have all of these in order, the next thing you would want to control is your mind. To stay away from all the distractions, we have found one great app called Forest. This one works on a great technique called Pomodoro, which uses a timer to break down work into intervals, traditionally 25 minutes in length, separated by short breaks. This app rewards you for leaving your phone alone for growing a virtual tree. If you touch your phone before the session is up, the tree dies. And no, you don't want a tree to die, do you? Focus is closely related to how your mind works. And for the mind to work well, we have 2 app recommendations for people who don't have the time. 12 exercises, 7 minutes, 1 body. All you need is your body weight, a chair or a bench, and a wall. It fulfills the latest mandates for high intensity effort, which essentially combines a long run and a visit to the weight room in about 7 minutes of steady discomfort, all of it based on science. David Lynch said, "The thing about meditation is you become more and more you." All great leaders meditate, and there's one app that's changing this whole game of meditation. Headspace is truly one of a kind. There's a basic guided session that will teach you the art of meditation for the first 10 days, and then you can choose from a myriad of sessions on different topics, so there is something for everyone, whether you're a student or a working individual. A lot of the sessions are for free, but you do have to pay if you want to unlock more features. This app works both on iOS and Android, and all you need is 10 minutes and a place to sit comfortably. Hi guys, thanks for watching. This was our list of our favorite productivity apps. If you have any recommendations for productivity apps, put them in the comments below, and stay tuned for more updates from the world of mobile apps. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you next time. Later.